Did you know baking soda can be a game changer in your garden? From fighting plant diseases to keeping pests away, this household staple has countless benefits for gardeners. In this video, we'll show you 10 clever ways to use baking soda to improve plant health, boost compost, clean tools, and even make your tomatoes sweeter. Natural fungicide. Mix baking soda with water and liquid soap to spray on plants, helping to fight fungal infections like powdery mildew. Weed control. Apply baking soda directly onto weeds to eliminate them while protecting nearby plants. Pest repellent. A blend of baking soda and flour can keep pests like cabbage worms and aphids away when dusted on plants. Soil conditioner. Use baking soda to neutralize excess soil acidity, creating a healthier growing environment. Tomato enhancer. Sprinkling baking soda around tomato plants reduces soil acidity, leading to sweeter tomatoes. Compost booster. Improve the composting process by making the pile more alkaline with baking soda. Odor eliminator. Combat unpleasant smells in compost bins and other garden areas with a sprinkle of baking soda. Tool cleaner. Scrub gardening tools with a baking soda paste to remove rust and dirt effectively. Seed germination aid. Soak seeds in a baking soda solution before planting to encourage better sprouting. Ant deterrent. Create a baking soda barrier around plants or ant trails to keep ants away. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.